The Akiles DuoMac is a revolutionary binding system which allows a combination of two punching die sets into one single machine, saving you time and counter space. Do you need to do wire binding in two pitches? We've got your machine with our DuoMac 321. And how about coil and comb binding? We've got a machine for that too with our DuoMac C41. The Akiles DuoMac comes in 10 different combinations, making this a customizable machine to fit your specific binding needs. It has a single punch capacity of up to 20 sheets of 20-pound paper, as well as an oversized punching length with an open throat for oversized documents. And each set of dies comes with a depth margin adjustment knob. Let's take a look at one of the DuoMac combinations. This is the DuoMac 321, which can punch and close 2:1 and 3:1 pitch wire documents. Here we have the covers and your documents. Remember that for wire binding, the back cover goes on top. Use the document gauge to help you figure out what size wire to use. Then set the wire closer according to the wire size. Place the wire on the convenient wire holder. To punch 3:1 pitch wire, insert your document in the front punch opening and insert as you punch. To punch 2:1 pitch wire, insert your document in the back punch opening. To close, place the documents with the wire opening face down on the wire closer. Then press down on the closer handle to close the wire. Flip the back cover over to hide the wire seam, and you have a professionally wire-bound book. Now let's take a look at the DuoMac C41, which combines comb and coil binding in one machine. Again, we have the covers and documents. Use the document gauge to help figure out what size comb to use. Place the comb on the comb opener and open the comb. Punch the documents on the back punch opening, then insert as you go. To close the comb, simply move the lever back to the start position and you have a professional comb-bound book. To make a coil-bound book, simply punch your documents on the front punch opening. Then, insert the coil into the punched holes. Use a crimper to crimp the ends. For more productivity, you can opt for the DuoMac C41 ECI Plus with a built-in coil inserter. If you need two types of binding, the Akiles DuoMac has exactly what you need to make professionally bound books with ease and dependability.